Hello guys! Good afternoon! It's been long time talaga guys, hindi ako nag-vlog because I'm not feeling well. Now, I'm okay na guys. I'm not feeling well kaya long time hindi ako nakapag-upload kasi masama ang pakiramdam ko. Tapos guys, so happy, so blessed because see, here sa Nepal guys, meron kami occasion parang Christmas, Dasay. Tapos soon darating din ang parang New Year. Umuwi sa yung mas neighbor namin guys, umuwi sila sa province, tapos ngayon dumating sila ngayon, ang dami namin pasalubong guys, tingnan nyo guys, oh, umuwi sila ng province, oh, binitbitan talaga niya kami yung buong pumpkin, oh my god, tapos banana, gawin ko to siya ng ano, turon tomorrow, banana guys, parang sabay, tapos ito, alam niyo ba to? Bamboo shoot, yung ano ba to ito? May term nito eh, I forgot na lang. Ano to sa lauoy or sa utan, bamboo shoot guys, ang sarap nito guys. Tapos, ito pa din guys, oh. Yung lokal na onion guys. Ano to, tanim to nila guys, lahat-lahat. Ang dami guys, my god. Tapos parang suntala, parang orange, mas orange style, tatlo. Tapos lemon, oh my god, ang dami guys. Tapos ito, ang tawag to? Gabi. Ang dami talagang binigay guys. Oh, ayan, oh, ang dami. Talagang gustong-gusto ko. Ito ang gusto ko sa Nepal. Ang daming, yung mga kapitbahay natin guys, kapag uwi sa probinsya, ayan, dami namin. Oh, ito din guys, oh. Ano to siya? Dry bo. Ang tawag dito sa Nepal is, we call this sukuti. Ano to siya? I-fry mo yung onion, garlic, tapos ito, oh my god, pwede na to guys, ang sarap to. Parang sa atin, sa Pilipinas, parang tapa, ganon. Ito siya, dry na sukuti siya guys. Ang sarap, ang dami niyang binigay guys, oh my god. Isang araw din, binigyan kami ng ano, pumpkin, at saka yung si sister ko din kapitbahay. Yung naluto ko na. Pero ngayon, grabe, ang dami niya binigay. Nandoon pa yata sa ano. We are blessed to have a neighbor like this. Dalawa na sila. Yung kahapon din sa kapitbahay ko, binigyan din kami. Ang dami guys, oh. Tapos ito, local na garlic. Oh, ito. Oh, ito. Ha, super happy yung asawa ko guys kasi ito ang favorite niya. Ang mahal kaya to guys. Ang mahal to dito kapag bilhin to. Nakalimutan ko Tagalog tong bamboo shoot. I forgot. Dabong. Sa Bisaya pa is dabong. Ang dami guys. And we are so blessed. Thank you so much guys. Na mag-upload. Start na ako na-upload guys because recently I'm not feeling well but now I'm little okay. Now I will upload now. Thank you for watching. Be kind and be happy. I love you all. Bye-bye. Morning, guys. Luto tayo ng ano, guys. Pansit. Garlic first. And then, onion. Sa Nepal to like ano, parang chow mein siya. Pero sa Philippines, we call pansit. Let them ano, brown. Kapag brown siya guys, i-ano ko na to, yung aking sago. Mamoy siya guys, mamoy. Tapos naka-ready na ang aking carrots at saka bell pepper. Naka-ready na siya. Tapos cabbage. And then may sutanghon. May sutanghon, guys. I just soak in the water only. And then there I just put it. Now it's already brown. I put the meat. Actually, guys, the meat I already boiled also. I boiled before I mix here. So that the cholesterol will reduce, guys. Kasi may siya anong tawag doon? Malaman. Ayan, guys, mag-adjust muna tayo. Ayan. And then let them brown. Iba-brown muna natin ang meat. Tapos sabay na ang sabay na mix lahat ng gulay and last yung noodles. Now, guys, turn to golden brown the meat. Na golden brown na siya, guys. Now, I just add all the veggies. Tapos, timplahan natin. I just add on carrots. And then bell pepper. Ayan, i-high fire. Palakasan natin yung apoy. Ayan, malakas na apoy, guys. Tapos itong cabbage, last ko na to ilagay, guys. After, kasi mag-add on tayo ng water. We'll add the water. Parang ang sarap na tingin. I think time to add water na tayo. Mag-add ako ng 1 cup of water. Ayan. Boom. Para at least yung gulay. Gusto ko yung gulay guys, ano lang siya. Yung malutong, hindi gaano luto. One more water add. Ayan. And then later, mga 5 minutes, i-add na natin ang ating noodles. Guys, I just put na ang noodles. Now I need to reduce the fire because we need to mix the soak in the water. Just keep soak the water, guys. Here in Nepal, guys, the noodles is very different. That's why I miss the noodles in Philippines. Here is very thin, like a sotanghon. See how beautiful my pancit, guys. And then I just add the cabbage from the top. From the top to the down, ding ding ding. Just add on. And then mix. Yung cabbage, guys, I don't want to make like, ano ba yan? I want crispy the vegetable. That's why it's little bit, all my carrots, not much cook. Like a half cook, guys. It's nice kasi if you do half cook. I don't know, ha? Kasi kapag ganito, if I'm doing pancit, I want all like a vegetables, like a crunchy still. It's nice kasi if crunchy the veggies. Now my pancit is ready na, guys. Just keep it like this, and then after like 5 minutes, my pancit is cooked. I don't know where is my my maso, my meat. In Nepal, we call the meat, guys, is maso. Now my chow mein is ready. See, very nice, different color. Ready na siya, guys. Mga 5 minutes, it's ready na. Thank you, guys. Love you all.